Good morning, friends. Let's take a look at our morning message. All right, let's start at the top. Read with me. Good morning, kindergarten rock stars. Today is Thursday, November 19th, 2020. We are so happy you are watching today. Say the letter sounds and blend to make words. All right, we've been practicing this a lot. So we're going to push up each sound and then we're going to blend it to make the word. You ready? Okay, let's start right here. P-I-N. Pin. Good job. Pin. All right, let's do the next one. T-I-N. Tin. Tin. Like a tin man or something is made out of tin. It's like metal. Okay, here's the next one. M-in. Min. Min. And that's just a pretend made up word. Min. All right, here's the next one. F-I-N. Fin. Fin. Like on a fish. A fish's fin. So we have pin, tin, min, fin. What do you notice about those? You are right. They rhyme. They all have the same middle and N. In. Do you see that? Great job. All right, let's keep going. You're doing a great job. All right, please read. These are all words that you know because they are your sight words and you practice them every day. All right, help me out. Can, am, go, blue, brown, orange, can, at. Fabulous job. Love, Mrs. Cool, and Miss Pan. Wonderful job. Let's keep going. Your letter of the week is the letter T. T, t, turtle. T, t, tiger. All right, I got to listen to a lot of our friends count yesterday, and it was so wonderful. And you guys, I could tell you're practicing. And anytime you want to videotape yourself counting even higher, do that. And I just record it on my sheet so that I know how high you can count. So if you counted and you want to count higher, videotape yourself again. But you guys are doing a great job. All right, you ready? Let's count like, ooh, I know. Let's count like really high-pitched noise, like almost a mouse talking. Are you ready? That will be really weird. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Oh my goodness, that was kind of crazy. Was that hard to count that high when you were counting with your voice so high? Well, it was crazy and fun. All right. Today I want to practice counting down from 20. We have been practicing and practicing from 10 and you've been doing a fabulous job. But I want you to be able to, and actually kindergartners they're required to be able to count from 20. So we're going to practice now 20 all the way. And you know what? We're going to do all the way to 0. And this one says 1, but we'll just say 1, 0, blast off, because we're still going to the moon. We're just counting a little bit back from a little bit further. Okay, so here we go. Oops, I didn't want to move that. I just wanted to move this. Okay, here we go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off! I should find a little rocket and put it right here so it reminds us to blast off. I'll have to do that for tomorrow. All right, let's keep moving along. Our ABC pattern. Oh, I'm going to move my face right there. And this is part of your work today. You're going to be making an ABC pattern in your Seesaw activity. So let's put one together for you right now. Let's do cornucopia, scarecrow, turkey. Okay, so my pattern is cornucopia, scarecrow, turkey. Here we go again. Cornucopia, scarecrow, turkey. Then we just keep repeating that pattern because patterns are repeating. And it's an ABC pattern, 3 pictures. Cornucopia, isn't that a silly name, cornucopia? But it's a basket full of fruits and vegetables. Okay, cornucopia, scarecrow, and turkey. All right, so we have our ABC pattern. Cornucopia, scarecrow, turkey. Cornucopia, scarecrow, turkey. Cornucopia, scarecrow, turkey. Sometimes if I can't remember how to finish my pattern, if I go back and say the pattern, sometimes it will just automatically, you'll figure it out just because it's just that pattern. You'll figure that pattern out by saying that. Okay, so if you get stuck today on your Seesaw, just go back and look at your pattern and say it out loud, and that will help you figure out your ABC pattern. Okay, all right, let's keep going. You guys are doing a fabulous job. There's our Brown song. I think I'll put this on Seesaw also, so you can just listen to the song. All right, and let's go over our sight words. You know what? I was going to mix them up today because we've been practicing them in order. Let's do that. I'm going to go backwards today. All right. What's this one? Go. Oops, then I went too far. What's this one? Can. At. Am. The. Blue. Red. Gray. Orange. Brown. Good job. All right, and let's take a look at our activities for today. I have some really fun activities for you guys today. I'm super excited for you to get to do them. All right, so the first one is kind of a game, and it's practicing your sight words. So what you have to do is you have to first read all the sight words up there, okay? They're all ones that we practice. There's your color word brown in there too. Anyway, so read them all so you know them. Then you get to roll the dice. See that little dice right there? So if you touch it, it starts rolling. Then you have to stop it. And then it'll have a number. Then you have to look at which of the dice has that same number. This one has number 4 on there. Do you see that? So you have to look at right there, 4. Then you have to say the sight word and then write it in the box. Okay? Then you have to see which one of them fills up first. Then you get to roll again. And whatever that number is, you get to write that sight word. All right, I don't know which one is going to fill up first for you, but it's kind of exciting. And if you want to play till you fill up the whole board, that's super fun too. So make sure when you write them, you say them, because that way we practice them and we know them by heart. Okay, so this is our 3 pattern, our ABC pattern. Remember I was telling you we're going to do a pattern activity. So you have counters, 3 different colors. You have red, green, and purple. So what you need to do is make me an ABC pattern. Okay, once you finish, again, you have to push that check mark and send it our way. Okay, and then this is super fun. This is from your PE teachers, your Phi-Ed teachers. They have some fun movement activities to get some exercise. So it's get down, to get up, to get down. So that is fun. And then from Mr. Hoovy and the music crew, they have some music here. So it's different songs that are high and low, and it's just kind of fun for Thanksgiving. So take a look at that. And I think these are all your music teacher. I think this is Mr. Hoovy right here. So you'll have to take a peek. All right. Then our videos that we have lesson 3.4, so you're practicing writing 8 and 9 and representing it. And then also your handwriting for V and W. Again, with handwriting, take your time. Your papers have been beautiful. I think I'm going to put the Brown song on too, because we've only sang it once, and I want you to get to sing it many, many, many times, because it's one of my favorite color songs. So we are Zooming. If you didn't get a chance to have let's push this down, an individual Zoom by Miss Pam yesterday, you will have one today. And I will be calling a few parents and a few that have missed Zooms with Miss Pam, and hopefully we can get you on also for today. So individual Zooms today. So if you had one yesterday with Miss Pam, you won't have one today unless you missed it. We'll try to get you in there, okay? All right, and again, for your iPad, I keep moving there. All right, oops, now it got really dark in here. Hold on just a second. We're just about done. Sometimes my light in my classroom just shuts right off. So I would like you to go into Imagine Learning and work in there and finish. It's about a 15-minute program for you to do. So just go ahead and get in there and work hard. All right. And last and certainly not least, and my favorite, I always want you to have a wonderful day. All right, boys and girls. If you have not counted for me and put the video on Seesaw so I can see it, make sure you do it today so that I can see your great work, okay? And keep practicing counting from backwards 20 to 0. Keep counting as high as you can. I'd love for everybody to get to 100. And just keep working hard. You guys are doing a great job. And your moms and dads and everybody are doing a great job of helping you. And grandparents, because I know a lot of grandparents are helping too. So, all right, boys and girls, have a great day.